Phyllis?
Yeah.
Alright, this is 940 Phyllis Avenue. We just jet cleaned the lines. I just put the camera into a PVC clean out, and you can see the old test tee brass cap right here. We're going to make a 90-degree turn, and now we are under the house. Pipe looks like it's in pretty good shape for the age that it is. We're able to pull out a whole lot of big chunks of cast iron scale that were in here. I don't see anything cracked or anything broken. This PVC fitting is where they tied in a kitchen. So we can see that that's set just a hair lower than the original cast iron pipe. By using the Scott tissue, I don't think that's going to cause any problems. And then this is a double Y. This is back on the other side of the house. Straight in front of us is where the washing machine comes out. One side's going to be the shower and the other side is going to be the toilet. So what I'm going to do before I leave is run the shower, flush the toilet, and then, were you filling the washing machine? Is it still filling?
I just did a rinse.
Oh, so it already dumped?
Probably,
okay.
maybe.
So we're going to check the flow before we leave, but everything's been removed from the pipes. Pipes look like they're in a whole lot better condition than when we started. So I'll just let the video record so I get back to the clean out. So we're back to the clean out now. We're going to check the flow, but everything looks nice and clean, and you can get an idea how much scale we pulled out. It's always hard to see when I do this on the camera, but at least you got an idea. Thanks for watching.